Come in. Of course you can. You never have to ask. Just let me budge up on the bed. There we go. Have a seat. You're welcome. Can't sleep? Did my music keep you awake? Are you sure? I don't want to do anything that is annoying or bothering you. Okay. I was just working on something for class. I was thinking about going to sleep soon, here shortly. No, you're not interrupting me at all. I could use the break anyway. So what's up? No, that's cool. You can just chill with me. I'm okay with that. I'll keep you company. So how was work today? Yeah, I can see that. The weather today is terrible, with all the rain, thunder, and lightning. My grandma used to say this is good cuddling weather, sitting down with a nice hot cup of tea and a loved one. Bring it in, love. You're trembling. What's wrong? Don't say that. I've known you for years. I can tell when something's bothering you. Don't change the subject. Yes, you are. And to answer your question, I was reading some poems for class. But let's get back to you. There's something wrong, love. You're still trying to change the subject. Well, at least you've stopped trembling for now. I still sense that there's something wrong. It's the storm. That's what's bothering you. I completely forgot that you don't like thunderstorms. I'm a terrible friend and roommate. Yes, I am. I completely forgot something fundamental about you. If you say so. I could get up and turn the music back up and try to drown out the storm. Okay, I won't leave you then. Sure, love. What would you like to talk about? Why do I call you what? Oh, I don't know. I've been calling you love for years. You've never seemed to be bothered by it before. I see. I could always stop. Okay, okay. You've seemed to calm down a bit more. You know, if you keep yawning like that, love, you should go to bed. Of course you can. You can sleep in my bed with me. I'm glad I'm your safe space. I feel the same way about you, love. Go for it. I love you too. Really? I love you too. I've loved you for a while. That's why I asked you to be my roommate. I wanted to live with someone I love. Let's just say I started to fall in love with you when you made fun of me in the middle of class, our second year of uni. Yes, that long. Can I tell you something? Do you want to be my girlfriend? I want to share our lives together as a couple and not just roommates. Okay, you're so tired, you're yawning in the middle of our kissing. Let's go to bed. Good night, my love.